Once upon a time in a small town, there lived a doctor named Dr. Know-all. He was the most knowledgeable doctor in the land, and everyone loved him because he never stopped learning. One day, a little boy named Timmy came to see Dr. Know-all. Timmy had a bothersome cough that wouldn't go away, no matter what medicine he tried. Dr. Know-all listened carefully to Timmy's chest. Then he thought for a moment. "I have an idea, Timmy," he said. "Let's go on an adventure to find the cure for your cough." Timmy and Dr. Know-all set off into the forest, armed with a backpack full of supplies. They climbed through the trees and crossed rivers, always asking questions and looking for answers. Finally, they came to a magical tree that whispered secrets to those who listened closely. "What do you want to know?" asked the tree. "We're looking for a cure for a mysterious cough," said Dr. Know-all. The tree thought for a moment, then it whispered, "Go to the mountain of dreams and speak with the dream weaver." Timmy and Dr. Know-all thanked the tree and continued on their journey. They climbed the tallest mountain, and at the top, they found a small door in the clouds. "Welcome, travelers," said the dream weaver, as he invited them inside. "What brings you here?" Dr. Know-all explained their quest for the cure to Timmy's cough. The dream weaver thought for a moment, then he said, "I have just the thing. Go back to your home and mix the following ingredients: a pinch of hope, a dash of laughter, and a handful of dreams." Timmy and Dr. Know-all thanked the dream weaver and returned home. They followed the dream weaver's instructions, mixing the ingredients with love and care. Timmy took the mixture and drank it down. He felt a warmth spread through his chest, and his cough faded away. He thanked Dr. Know-all and the dream weaver, and from that day on, he never coughed again. From then on, whenever anyone was sick, they would go to see Dr. Know-all. He would listen to their stories, seek out the answers, and help them find the cure. And Timmy, who had once been a little boy with a mysterious cough, grew up to be a doctor just like Dr. Know-all, always ready to help those in need.